This is a fun and creative style that you can rock for any occasion, and I can't wait to show you the step-by-step process. So guys, stay tuned.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm excited to take you along as I recreate a stunning Mohawk wig using my own natural hair. I always like to give my scalp some extra love, so I began by giving myself a gentle scalp massage to stimulate blood flow and promote healthy hair growth. So next I will be spraying water in my hair just to get it a little bit damp, not too wet. So after which I applied my homemade leave-in conditioner to hydrate and soften my hair. This is one of my favorite styles because it really brings my curls to life. So after that, I took down my old braids, carefully unraveling them to avoid breakage, of course, and then I combed through my hair to make sure it's tangle free. If you want to know how I made this leave-in conditioner, you can check it out on my page. Yeah. Na, 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 Now that my hair is fully detangled, I grabbed a hairband to secure my hair, giving us the classic mohawk shape and getting ready to style. If you have watched this video up to this moment, why not click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime I post any video, you'll be the first to know. Like my video and share this video to your family or friends. Thank you for doing that. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Now it's time for styling. I'm trying to section my hair here into two parts so that it will be easier for me to manage and style. Once I'm done sectioning the hair, I section off my hair into smaller pieces, like taking one piece at a time, comb through and then apply a hair gel in that section, brush it out, then twist it, and then I wrapped it around a roller. This method is great for creating defined coils with lots of bounce. I repeated the process for each section of my hair until it was all set in row. While I waited for my curls to dry, I decided to glam up my look with some makeup. I did a quick but fabulous bit on my face to complement the final hairstyle. So it is time to unravel these coils, but first of all I applied some edge control on my edges to give this sleek look before unraveling my coils. I carefully took out each roller, gently unraveling the coils to avoid frizz. So let's see how this is looking. I don't know why I'm struggling here. Yeah, taking it easy. Whoa, look at that coils. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, just look at those coils. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm absolutely in love with how defined and bouncy they turned out. The shine, the volume, everything came together perfectly. This is why I adore using rollers and my homemade leave-in conditioner. These curls are giving me all the life and confidence I need today. Yeah. Honestly, who knew my natural hair could slay a mohawk like this? I'm obsessed. Let me know what you think in the comments because these curls are definitely a vibe. Wow, just look at that. I untwisted each session, separating the coils with my fingers to add extra volume and fullness. I love how fluffy and big my hair looks at this stage. To perfect the mohawk shape, I used a wide tooth comb to fluff out the root. My hair is actually getting to my eyes here, so don't mind my look, okay? So finally I applied some gummy braiding gel to the sides of my head and slicked them down for a sleek finish. I used my hands to shape the hair into a bold voluminous mohawk, and voila, the look is complete, guys. So tell me what you think about this hair. A gorgeous natural hair mohawk wig recreation. I had so much fun creating this style, and I hope you all enjoy watching it as much as I did styling it. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials, tips and beauty content. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Daisy.